Located on a sprawling 1.31-acre farm lot in the coveted and growing community of Wedgefield,
Hello, I'm Julimar Barreiro, one of Central Florida's most recognized luxury real estate agents. And today I welcome you into this stunning property in the heart of Central Florida.
this newly constructed property embodies modern elegance. The property's grand entry and open floor plan create an imposing impression from the moment you arrive. The home showcases a high-quality custom mahogany entry door that sets the stage for a welcoming and luxurious atmosphere inside. This residence is a dream, offering expansive indoor and outdoor spaces perfect for hosting gatherings, gardening, or simply relaxing in privacy. The master suite is a serene escape, featuring an oversized walk-in closet, soaking tub, and 2 separate rain showers for an indulgent bathing experience. Additionally, a guest suite, a full bonus room ideal for a home office, and seamless transitions between living spaces add functionality and style. Florida living becomes truly exceptional here, with a lanai that features a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, complete with an ice maker, BBQ grill, wine fridge, and expansive backyard views. Every detail has been carefully selected, from the porcelain tile floors and low-slung windows. At the heart of the home, a gorgeous kitchen awaits you, featuring marble countertops, custom solid wood cabinetry, and a spacious pantry. A breakfast nook offers a cozy corner for morning meals, enhancing this culinary space. Other highlights of the property include an oversized 3-car garage, smart home features, and meticulous high-end finishes throughout. If you like this beautiful home here in Florida, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media. My team and I can help you with any questions you may have. Call us at this number. this dream home could be yours.